going to Europe tomorrow at 11 o'clock at night. It's around 9 o'clock right now. And I have not started packing at all yet, so I figured why not, I don't know, film myself packing. Maybe it'll make me pack better. For me, as somebody who is very high maintenance and feels like I need to have everything with me all the time, I'm not a very good packer. I thought that having an audience of sorts, meaning 2 individuals probably back in Williamsport, Pennsylvania, watching this, aka my mom and my dad, that it might help me be a little bit more efficient, a little bit more adult-like, you know. So I'm gonna pull up the itinerary on my iPad. Maybe like that will help me gauge like what kind of things I need to bring for every single day. I don't know, that would be cute. There are some great packers out there. People that I'm going on this trip with, I've been in a group message with them for like a couple weeks. They have the fucking packing cube. Someone has been packed since last Sunday and I'm like, yo, I'm probably not even gonna do this tonight. So, June 1st, Saturday, aka tomorrow, I will be traveling and then I will land in London. Oh no, I'm landing in London on Sunday. We won't have anything to do on Sunday, so I'm going to maybe bring just like a little bit of a more casual outfit. Oh fuck, this is so overwhelming. Okay, something that I know for sure, we're gonna go to a lot of cosmetic companies. We're gonna go to L'Oreal, we're gonna go to Hermes, we're gonna go to the Body Shop, we're gonna go to Charlotte Tilbury. That's gonna be pretty dope, but that means business casual. And I'm gonna use the rolling technique. You fold your clothes and then you roll them to save space, because I'm gonna be there for 2 weeks and like that's a lot of time. Item 1. Oh, maybe I should do underwear first. This is what I mean by like I am like not a good packer like at all, and it's just like pretty pathetic. Let's get some underwear out of our drawers. 13 thongs. So whenever I pack with this suitcase, I always put my bras and my underwears in the big flappy pocket on the lid. That's a lot of bras and underwears. And like, I can't do laundry on the trip, you know? So like, I'm gonna really need to pack a lot. I'm trying to be moderate. I'm trying to be light. I'm trying to be easy. 2 pairs of sweatpants on a 16-day trip. Is that like not a lot? I don't know. 5 pairs of shorts. Am I being excessive? I just legitimately, I just cannot tell. I cannot fucking tell. I'm always gonna look here. I'm always gonna be looking at myself when I talk. Get with it or get gone. Don't mind me or my hair or anything about the way that I look, okay? Thank you. Okay, so that's my PJs. Let's put them in the luggage, shall we? I have anxiety. I guess I can kind of show you how I fold it. So my shirt, it's folded like this. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do thirds here, people. I'll survive if I don't have extra, you know what I mean? But for some reason, in my mind, it feels like I'm not gonna be able to, it feels like I'm not gonna be able to go 16 days with 9 sleeping shirts. I'm taking a quick packing break because that's the kind of person I am, and we got a half full glass of wine. Have you ever heard that song? No. By Tame Impala? You would love it, Georgia. Oh my god, I gotta play it for you. Suit, wine, jig. But that's all for my packing vlog. As you can see, I suck at 1, packing, because my suitcase is all the way full when I was trying to be not full. Yeah, and it's 12:25. Ew. And I also suck at vlogging and making YouTube videos, so. Cheers to that.
Cheers.
Cheers.